Suresh Raina built a big house and living in a great level of room and but the Raina saying that my favorite place of sleeping is the floor because of his background, because he was come from the middle class family and and he was a army person son, and he was studied in a government school. He, at the time of 13 years, he think to be a cricketer and get permission from parents and go to the coaching in Lucknow. The school sports of category sports, which is there is a shocking news is waiting for his Raina. That is, the young age, the coaches are appreciated. They, the Raina is young age and chubby and favorite student to the coach, the only favorite to coach. Other students are hating the Raina because the coaches are appreciating only the Raina, and all senior persons or players or Raina always drinks milk with in the morning, so that the Raina ate us like all senior players pour the sand to it, but the Raina with a cloud they filter it and drink it. In a environment of cold and winter season, the Raina the senior players will be pouring the cold water in the face of Raina, and in a hostel the seniors takes the food of Raina and hide a bed and tap the door and run away. It is a daily lifestyle of Raina, the rag Raina. One day, the all are going to the match, so he was tired, so that he put a newspaper in the seat and sleeping. On the traveling, the seniors urinated a face to the face of Raina. After this, he was decided to go to the not go to school and cricket with crying, attempt suicide, but go to the house. And 1 week gone, and parents ask about the school. 1 month gone, 2 months gone, and 3 months gone. The 14 years, what he know? Oh, he not able to handle the pressure at a time of important series. The going on conduct, so that the coach is the time of the important series cricket series going to conduct, so that the coach the coach the called the parent and Raina and parent go to the school. The Raina explained all the things all the things and cried. The coach says that see Raina, why all students are playing because of because answer is because of getting the sports certificate and join to the uh, government job like railway or government blank jobs. Only it is meant for government jobs, but only you Raina playing for happiness and dedicated. I watch your face as a enjoyment playing in the ground. One day you will be getting in place of a Indian cricket team, said by coach. Teasing not consider these persons. Teasing, shaming, and dumping their talent is not from your team. They will do, but uh, and coach said that Nelson Mandela's example at the time of Nelson Mandela as a president, so the black and white are fighting together, and a rugby game is going on. So that he joined both black and white, and the same as you. I have selected you, and we want to prove them as a talented kid, and he selected to the as a captain in a school match, and say that not play for only for you team, you should uh, play for team also, all must give a best and prove all self. And once the Raina accept this attempt, and going to the matches, if one bowler is uh, bowls a good way, the Raina will be appreciate him and hug him from the soul. He was allow all, and he plays last because become a team player and motivate team and passes his energy to others, and the team became a friends because of because because of a coach is taught him, and he was going to the Mumbai and playing for Air India for his development, and he was get a scholarship of 10,000 rupees, and coach says I will transfer it into your account and spend it for your use. Other do that, press, spend all the 10,000 as for the parents money to send, but Raina is not that spend. He was saying that the 2,000 is enough, and remaining 10,000 8,000 is want sent to the parents, and because they are suffering. This shows his maturity. In the interview, he's saying that he will phones to Mumbai to home, which is very costly. It is STD, so that he fastly speaks and stopped and cut it. Is known for this family support. In 2005, he was playing for this India and dropped it. The CB series is a 12th person in 2007. At ending of rain 2007, the Raina want to be thinks that I want to leave from cricket because he brought a house, and because of his compulsions, other compulsions, and he unable to pay the EMI, so that he was in. But in the middle order, the cricket, the Rohit Sharma, Yuvraj Singh playing, the fear is in the mind of Raina, because he was spent 80 lakhs of rupees in the EMI, so that he was fear that how to this handle this situation. This shows that how he fears about EMI. Not you and me is fear of EMI. The Raina, the Indian cricketer, also fear of EMI, and he also having a bragging in a younger age. It is a same situation in all the lives. The MS Dhoni asked about this Raina, and he was going to leave the cricket. The MS Dhoni says that IPL is going to start. The CSK is team to be formed, and the important player you are be, and batsman you are be, not leave, and go to practice. He motivated him, and he was playing 2008. Raina was playing for cricket for CSK. He got a Mr. IPL uh, name. He won a lot of prizes, not others. Bowling, fielding, runner, or a batsman. He was playing. If put a dedicate to the cricket with joy, he was playing. The reason for his 50 years successful cricketer, but I did not know the reason for his retirement. From this Raina's life, we understood that doing what you like is freedom, liking what you do is happiness. Thank you.